In this video, we will take the design of a desk hook and prepare it in Fusion 360 for 3D printing using a Formlabs SLA printer. This involves creating an additive setup, automatically orienting the hook on the printer's build platform, adding support structures to hold the hook in place during the build process, and creating a Formlabs form file. In the Additive tab of the Manufacture workspace, click New Setup. In the Setup dialog, select a machine. Filter by SLA. SLA, or stereolithography, is a vat photopolymerization technology for depositing layers of thermosetting plastic resins. Select a Formlabs printer and then click OK to create the additive setup. To position the hook on the printer's build platform, click Automatic Orientation. With Orientation Target active, in the canvas, click the hook. Change the settings in the dialog as needed. In the Ranking tab, set the options to meet your needs. By setting Support Area to Very High, Fusion 360 prioritizes those orientation results that produce the smallest support area. Click OK and then right-click the Automatic Orientation Study in the browser and choose Orientation Results. Go through the results and then choose a rank. Next, add support structures to hold the hook in place on the printer's build platform. Click Lattice Volume Support, and with Support Target active, in the canvas, click the hook. To prevent supports from attaching to the hook's threaded hole, make sure that Unsupported Target is active, and then click the individual faces of the hole, or click a predefined selection set in the browser. Change the settings in the dialog as needed to specify, among other things, the critical angle at which supports are needed, the anchor density, and the bar size. Click OK to generate the supports. Click Base Plate Support to create an interface between the build platform and the lattice volume supports. Click the hook and then click OK. With the hook positioned correctly on the build platform and support structures added to hold it in place, it is now time to create a Formlabs form file. Click Export Formlabs form file and click OK. Find and select a location to save the file, enter a file name, and then click Save. You are now ready to open the form file in Formlabs Preform software so that you can 3D print the hook.